name is Dee and welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be basically my first ever video. So I thought a good start for my channel would be to do a makeup video because I love makeup, and to do my most favorite thing in the entire world, which is glitter. I had just ordered some JCat beauty glitters online. I have a few of them. So I have 3 of them that I tried that I bought from a different store. I bought it from, I can't remember the name. I'll link it down below. I didn't buy it online. I bought it in person in the city. I live in New York, by the way. So I bought 3 of them there, and then I have 12 other ones I got on Amazon for I think $24. I'm gonna link that below, but I'm just gonna talk about JCat beauty glitters and everything that has to do with that. So yeah, let's get started. But I use the NYX glitter primer. My camera's not gonna focus for anything. But yeah, so this is the one that I use. So I have all the glitters right behind me, actually, just displayed right there. And we're just gonna go through each one of them. I'm gonna have a little box somewhere on the screen with swatches of each one while I talk about each color. Oh, also, before I forget, I haven't tried all of them yet. I've only tried about like 5, I guess you could say, out of the total that I have. But I'm gonna be posting more looks and stuff on my Instagram and stuff so you could see exactly what they look like later on when I use them. The first one I'm going to talk about is the one that's on my eyes. I'm going to zoom in or get closer so you could see. So it's like a gold. I did like a gold glam look. If you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you already saw it. So I used this JCat beauty glitter. I'm going to have a swatch of it on the screen too. And this is the Amazing Gold. I love this one. This is a perfect gold color, especially if you're a dark skin girl. Please. I actually didn't try this one yet, but I really want to. It's called Bondi Black. As you can see, I'll have a swatch. It's really pretty. If I had to describe it, it's like it's got like a black under base with like blue and purple reflex. I will say, you know, disclaimer, like a lot of cheaper makeup companies, you know, they're focusing on the formula and just how it looks, and that's where all the money is going. It's not really going towards like the packaging. So I would say the one thing I don't like this much about the JCat beauty glitters is that the packaging is, you know, once you take this label off, I'll show you one that I didn't take it off. So like, see how this label is here, and this is where it tells you the color, right? So some of them have the color on top, so like you can be able to see it. But with this one that I have from JCat, because I opened it and took this label off and I lost it, I don't even know what color this is. If I find out the color, I'll put it on the screen. But I don't know, because when you take off the label, you can't see the color anymore. So that's kind of not good for, you know, if you're a makeup artist or someone like me who's posting about it. You know, you want to be able to see what the color name is even when the label is off. So the next one that I wanted to show you, which I did try, I actually just did a makeup look on this. It should be on Instagram. This is Iris Indigo, and it's just a really pretty purple. It's a purple with like green and blue reflex. So the next one that I have is Mystic Wave, and this is just like a straight up blue, straight up aqua blue glitter. So pretty. I mean, I love this. It's just amazing. Another thing I would say about the packaging is that when you open it, so it doesn't have a shifter. So hold on, I'll be right back. This glitter is so dusty, but it's the only one I could find that has a shifter so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is a NYX glitter that I really like too. But as you can see, it's got like a shifter on top with holes and everything. So, you know, you can just put out a little bit and it won't splitter. It won't splash all over the place. But with these, when you open them, there's no shifter at all. It's just kind of loose glitter just in there, like and you have to just pour it out. And I will even admit that when I'm doing my makeup sometimes, if I like just shift my position a little too much and I'll pour out like the whole entire bottle on my table and it gets everywhere. I have this next one, which I'm so excited to try. I didn't even try it yet, but I know I'm gonna love it because I love silver glitter. I love it so much. So this one's cool silver, and it's just your basic cool light colored silver. It's really pretty, really reflective. That's what I've noticed, that when I'm using lights or anything like that, these glitters still shine out even if the light is all on it, because sometimes the lights, ring lights and stuff like that, will wash out the glitter that you're using and not making it look as shiny. But I feel like with the JCat ones, I really think they stay shiny, so I really like that too. Now this next one, I haven't tried it yet, so I have to update later. Probably update Instagram when I try half of these. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm not sure how it's gonna look. So this is Papaya Whip. It's like a white with very light blue flick. I don't know. If you're a dark skin girl, comment if you tried this, because I haven't tried it yet, but I kind of have a feeling that you're not going to be able to see the flick, the sparkles on our skin. I'm worried that it's going to clump up on the lid, because sometimes I find that if the glitter doesn't have too much reflective properties, like if it's not shining or anything, or it doesn't have actual sparkles in it, then I feel like it kind of clumps up on the eye. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I feel like you try to put more and more on to get that sparkly effect, like how my sparkles are doing right now. But when it's like this color where it's not really too reflective, sometimes it can appear chunky on the eye. I don't know. You know, I haven't tried it yet, but that's what I'm a little bit worried about with colors like these. So the next one is Gingerbread Sugar. And this, oh my God, look at this, y'all. It's like a brown glitter. I love brown glitter. When you want to do a full glitter look, it's so great to put a brown glitter just right there in the outer corner, and then do a lighter glitter, a gold type glitter right here, just like this one. This, if you were to put this brown glitter right on the end here, oof, it would be so beautiful. I think brown glitter is an essential, especially if you want to wear glitter but you want it to be too shiny or anything like that. This is the perfect way to wear glitter, because it's not, you know, you'll see with the swatch, but it's not even that, you know, it's not that sparkly. So it's like you're wearing glitter, but not too much, you know. The next one I want to talk about is another gold one. So this one it's gold with green reflex, super pretty. This is another one that I've tried. This is Gold Road. I really love this one. By the way, another disclaimer, I have a lot of gold glitter because I just love gold glitter. So I think this is the last gold glitter of it today, but you know, just keep in mind, you don't have to have all these gold glitter. You know, you could choose out of the 3 that I showed you which one you want. So the next thing I want to talk about is another one that I've tried. So this is Amber Jewelry, and it's like a rose gold, or at least it comes like off of that on camera. Now it says it's called Amber Jewelry. I don't know. The first thing I think of is rose gold with this, or like a pink glitter type gold thing. I don't know, but that's what I see when I look at this. Then other one I want to talk about is another pink one. So this one I haven't tried yet. Really want to try it. I'm so excited. It's Tangerine, and it's got pink with kind of a bluish green reflect in it, and it's so pretty. This is super pretty, and I cannot wait to try it. So another one that I have 2 more to show you. So, and they're both pink. So I've got one, and it's Wild Berry, and it's kind of like this hot pink color. I don't know if the camera's picking it up well, but it's got blue and green reflex also, but the undercolor, which is the pink, is like a lighter color, and it's super pretty. And then another pink one is So that was kind of a light hot pink. And then this one I'm going to show you is a hot pink. This is a true hot pink. So if you can't handle the neon pink, girl, this is not for you. But I love this one. This is color Ultra Pink, and this name fits it perfectly because girl, it's Ultra Pink. But yeah, I love this. I'm really excited to try this. You know, like I said, really check out my Instagram because I'm gonna have all pictures using, you know, basically all of these all the time. So definitely check that out. Hey, y'all thought the video was over. Psych. I'm kidding. Well, I'm stupid and I think I completely forgot about 2 different colors. So I'm going to show you 2 more colors really quick while I'm, you know, filming the swatches. So here is this blue color. I touched it, but I don't think I told you guys exactly what color this is. So this color is Jungle Sapphire. There's one more I wanted to show you that I completely forgot. So the other glitter that I forgot was this beautiful orange gold one. This is another one where the label, I lost the label. I'm going to leave in the description box the name of this color, but this is the other one that I forgot. But yeah, this is a great affordable option for everybody. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. This is my first video. I'd really appreciate some tips, you know, anything that I could be doing, anything to improve, just everything. I know I need a lot to improve on. I mean, for starters, I keep looking at the viewfinder and not at the camera lens. It's hard. It's hard, y'all. I don't know, but we're figuring out together. All right, bye.